It's a lot of history. Didn't we still at the museum? There's many trains here that were donated to this Green Bay Railroad Museum. If you haven't checked it out yet, come and visit. It is definitely a place full of history. This is a way back in the days used to be. You got a restroom. Walking inside the train. Historical place. Beds. So this is how people used to live back in the days. Get a private room. It's definitely a place to come. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
Dining tables. Dining room. This is still inside that bedroom. I mean, that train, I'm sorry. Oh, fuck. And this last part of the train used to be the mailbox or mail boxes for lettering back in the days. So you see a lot of names such as here in USA, in Canada. You also see a lot of places such as Austria, Italy. So this is how they used to do the mail back in the days. Just a little bit of peek inside that train's restroom. Here at a historical place, Green Bay, Wisconsin.